So it is hot out there, guys, today. And of course, it's summer. And what screams summer? Fruit. What kind of fruit? Well, cherries are in season around this time. So today I am trying the All-Star Lineup DQ Berry Cherry Chip. And that's it right here. And it looks really, really good. And I love cherries. And I love cherry chip. I love black cherries. It's awesome. So let's see. It looks pretty good. It's got some cherry chips in there. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. I remember eating a Blizzard when I was a kid. We had a DQ where I used to live, and now it's another restaurant. And I used to get Blizzards all the time. My dad and my mom used to take me. This is really good, guys. It's packed with cherries and chip. I can't even talk, guys. It's really good. Of course, they got like a bunch of them, so. So an update on my car. I'm deciding to just get the money and get a new car. Because, unfortunately, the prices of cars nowadays are very expensive. And I have a lot of stuff on the car that needs to be fixed. I have over a $2,000 job that needs to be done in this car. The repair is basically the exhaust system and the catalytic converter. That's going to cost a lot of money. So it really makes no sense for me to put all that money into the car. I might as well take the money and put it towards a down payment on a new car. And of course, cars are expensive. I don't know what else to do. I hope you guys are doing well. And again, this is so good. One more bite, and we're out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. I made a mess.